Kebi and Dear here from Enjoy Star Food from the powerhouse of Canada. It's Alberta and from the heart of Calgary, Northeast. So today we are here for Banu Kabobs. It's a Afghani cuisine. They have wraps, they have kebabs, they have some curries. And they have Afghani naan as well. So Afghani cuisine is very famous for kebabs and grilling, and also for the kabli pulao, that is rice with the mutton. So we'll go inside and we'll reveal the dishes and the taste with you. So come on with me.
So KB.
So we are today at Banu Kabobs. So I think so. It's a Kabli cuisine, Afghani cuisine,
Yeah.
and actually the Afghani cuisine is very famous in doing the grills and
Especially their barbecues.
grilling the meat and rice as well. So they have different type of kebabs platters. You see that? They have chapli kebab, they have skewers, then they have chops as well. They have curry as well actually, and naan as well. So
The menu is too big and we have to decide what
So
to
we-
order, what to
yeah.
not.
So I'm gonna order some of their actually rice, some kebabs, and
wow.
maybe some curry. So we're gonna try that curry.
What's more shank?
Yeah, we'll take a look. But usually Afghan cuisine is popular for their medium spices, right? So they don't put too many spices. This is gonna be very moderate spices. So we'll see what we have it, and then once we decide it, we'll meet you there, man.
Stay with us.
Hey guys, so they just brought it in the appetizer. It's a chicken soup, and I did not order, but they brought it in. They gave us lemon, and so this is let's take a look. They have chickpeas in it, some carrot, I can see that, and seem like corn soup, but it's a chicken. And they have some veggies as well. I don't know what is it, maybe bell pepper or something like that. I think so. It seemed like bell pepper, right? So let's try that. I'm gonna take some chickpeas, some bell pepper, and I'm trying without the lemon first. So I just wanna enjoy its real taste, how it is. So look at that. Wow. Yes, looks like pretty hot. Salty. Yeah, salty. So let me put some lemon in it. So lemon give it a flying color, guys. So now I'm gonna try that again. So look at that. Actually, I'm gonna put some more lemon in it. Wow. So let's do that. It's good. It's not
It tastes like chicken
Yeah.
corn soup, or
kind of. It's not like there's no spice. Like maybe
because there's no soya sauce.
no
Nothing.
no chili, nothing. Very moderate salt, and there is very moderate spices. And when you're gonna put the lemon in it, it enhances the taste. So not bad. It's good. So guys, we have some food on the table. It's very colorful and it's mouth-watering, guys. So what we have it right now, we have mantu. This is kind of their cultural dish, right? Then we have Afghani pulao with the shank, and then we have lamb do piazza. So piazza means like onion. So it's lamb cooked with the onions. Like you can see the onion and the tomatoes as well. They bring in two type of sauces. One of them is mint, seems like mint sauce. The other one is maybe tamarind or something like that. Pretty good plate of the fresh salad. And we are waiting for the naan.
But the meanwhile, you can try the mantu.
Mantu? Or you want to try the mantu first? Okay. Let's take a look. It should be beef, I think so, inside, right? It's kind of a ravioli or you see that? So they put some. Oh, the naan is here. Awesome. Thank you.
Thank you.
You see that, guys?
Oh, so fresh.
So it's very fresh naan. And they are Afghani naan as well. They are usually like thick, heavy, and roasted. And if you eat without anything, it's crispy and really tasty. It's very good. So let's try mantu first. I can see the chickpeas lentil here. Mint. I'm hoping this is yogurt, right? And some fried caramelized onions, right? So let's try the one of the mantu, man. I'm gonna take the whole mantu. Look at that. Wow. There you go, guys. Are you ready, man?
Yep.
Okay, here you go. Good. Mild. You can feel the taste of grind beef. Then on top of it, mint is enhancing the flavor, and that yogurt as well. So it's good. It's good, man. It's good. Let's try the. I think so. I'm gonna try next Afghani pulao. Look at that. How big this shank is, guys. Oh man, look at that. You see that? This is fork. You can imagine the size of the shank, man. This is a regular size fork, right? So let me toss it. No, it's not gonna. Okay, and I'm gonna try first. So this is Afghani pulao. So usually it's come with the carrots, right? Raisins, right? And shank as well. So I'm gonna first try without the shank. I just wanna enjoy the taste of real taste of the Kabuli pulao rice. So you see that? Okay. Original, authentic taste. It's a little bit different, man. Little bit.
What's the difference?
I don't know. Maybe it feel like chickpeas lentil type, but it's not. So let's try with the shank. You wanna try?
Because you're saying it's different.
Yeah, it seems a little bit different. What is your review?
Wait.
A little bit different, right?
That's good.
Yeah, but it's very good. So let me try with the shank. It's very tender. You see that? It's pretty much tender. So it's just a butter kind of, right? You see, automatically it's torn into pieces, right? So I'm gonna take some raisins, some carrot, and
the carrots are caramelized as well.
Yeah, see that? Wow. So here you go. Good. Natural, authentic taste. Okay. And then this lamb do piazza. So it's mean lamb cooked in caramelized onions, right? So I'm gonna try with the naan. This is Calgary naan. Oh, here you go. We have the skewers. So this is the beef tikka skewers.
Very fresh.
Wow.
Oh wow.
Very fresh. Okay, so let me try first this, and then we'll try this one. You see that? Pretty much very good size lamb pieces. You can see some oil, caramelized onions, tomatoes, right? And let me show you how tender it is. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, lamb is really tender, guys. Like I just press it and it's just torn into pieces, right? See that? So I'm gonna take some onions, some little bit sauce, and we'll see how it's gonna taste. Mild, some curry type sauce.
Curry or kadai?
Flavor. Curry or kadai type. It's good. If you are a friend of mild spices, this is your friend, guys. Okay, so the last dish is beef tikka. I can see, I think it's a samak, right?
Yeah.
Samak is very tangy spice. It's very good. I'm gonna take without naan. A very like medium size bites. And I used to eat when I was young, right? In my childhood, they are very good. So I'm gonna eat like straight. I will see how it tastes. Very good. You can pretty good bite it. Tender, and I can feel the stomach tangy taste as well. So very good, guys. It's very good. If you want to try some grill, so this is the one of the dish.
So I also wanna try.
Yeah. How it is? Good?
It's good.
I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. It's a Banu cuisine vlog. We need your support. Keep us watching, share with your family and friends, and subscribe us, please. That is our really need. That is our really support we need from you guys. So please subscribe our channel, share with your family and friends, and we will see you in another flavorful vlog. So thank you for watching Enjoy Star Food, India.
Thanks for watching.